Want to automatically follow up with customers, recover abandoned carts, and send post-purchase emails? Shopify's built-in email automations make it super easy to stay connected without doing everything manually. Here's how to activate them. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, click on Marketing, and then go to the Automations tab. Here, you will find a variety of pre-built automation templates like Welcome Email, Abandoned Checkout, and First Purchase Upsell. Choose the one you want to use and click Create Automation. Shopify will walk you through the setup, letting you customize the subject line, content, and timing. You can also define conditions like whether the email should go out to the first time buyers, repeat customers, or based on a product type. Once you're happy with the setup, click on Turn on Automation, and Shopify will start sending those emails automatically based on your triggers. And that is really it. You have now activated Shopify email automations to help boost engagement and drive more sales without lifting a finger after setup. If this really helped, well, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more simple e-commerce guides, and let me know in the comments what kind of automations you'd like to see next.